How to reset your Logitech M550 mouse. Step number 1 is to remove the lid and also remove the battery. Make sure that the mouse is switched off. Then what you need to do is to keep press the right side clicker, the scroll wheel clicker, keep it pressed, and also the left clicker. Okay, all these three needs to be keep pressed the way it is right now. At the same time, put back the battery and turn on the mouse without releasing these buttons. Stay like that 10 seconds. Okay, and after 10 seconds the mouse will be resetted. You'll be able to release these buttons and pair it again with your device, use it, and you'll be good to go. So thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, comment down below, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next video.